welcome back to the car updates. The 2024 Lamborghini Urus is not just an SUV, it's a revolution on wheels, blending raw supercar performance with everyday practicality in a way that only Lamborghini can. From the moment you see it, the Urus demands attention. Its design is unmistakably Lamborghini, aggressive yet elegant, muscular yet refined. The front fascia showcases sharp aerodynamic lines, an angular hood, and those piercing Y-shaped LED headlights that look like they're staring straight into your soul. Every detail of the exterior has been sculpted for performance. Wide air intakes for cooling, a sloping roofline for aerodynamics, and massive 22 to 23-inch wheels that give it a stance that screams dominance. Under the hood, the 2024 Urus packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that unleashes a jaw-dropping 657 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That's supercar territory in an SUV body. The result? 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.1 seconds, and a top speed of over 190 miles per hour. This isn't just fast for an SUV, it's faster than most sports cars. The engine roars with that signature Lamborghini growl, and every throttle press feels like an event. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts with lightning precision, and the power delivery is instant, giving you that adrenaline rush that makes driving a Lamborghini unlike anything else. Performance, of course, is about more than just speed. It's about control. The 2024 Urus features Lamborghini's advanced all-wheel drive system with active torque vectoring, allowing the car to adapt instantly to changing road conditions. The air suspension automatically adjusts ride height depending on the terrain or driving mode. Whether you're on the highway, tackling off-road trails, or carving through mountain roads, the Urus feels planted and confident. Lamborghini's drive mode selector, the Anima system, lets you choose between Strada, Sport, Corsa, Nive, Terra, and Sabbia, each one tuning the suspension, throttle, and steering to deliver the perfect drive for the environment. Step inside, and the 2024 Urus continues to impress. The cabin perfectly blends luxury and performance. It feels like a fighter jet wrapped in Italian craftsmanship. Premium materials dominate the interior, from fine leather and Alcantara to forged carbon fiber and brushed aluminum. The sporty bucket seats provide both comfort and support, while the configurable ambient lighting sets the mood for every journey. The hexagonal theme found in the air vents, dashboard, and stitching ties the whole design together with Lamborghini's signature touch of futurism. At the center sits a dual-screen infotainment setup, the upper one controlling navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, while the lower one handles climate and seat adjustments. The system is fast, intuitive, and visually stunning. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system come standard, ensuring that your driving soundtrack matches the intensity of the experience. Despite its supercar DNA, the Urus doesn't compromise on practicality. There's enough space for 4 adults to sit comfortably, and the rear seats fold down to offer surprising cargo room, something you wouldn't expect from a Lamborghini.